Hi, this is Alana from the QuickBooks team. If you use Square to process customer payments, you can download sales and other transactions into QuickBooks with the Square Connector by QuickBooks app. We'll go over the steps to connect QuickBooks to Square and start syncing Square transactions with QuickBooks. First, go to Apps, then select Find Apps. The next step is to look for the Square Connector by QuickBooks app. Select Get App Now. You'll see a list of steps on how to connect your Square account to QuickBooks. Select Get Started. Enter your Square username and password. Then, log in. You'll need to give permission to Square and QuickBooks to share product and transaction details. If needed, you can disconnect at any time. Select Continue. The next step is to confirm some settings. When you connect Square to QuickBooks, you can receive historical transactions up to 2 years from Square. Choose how far back you want Square to go when it sends your historical transactions to QuickBooks. You can choose the furthest possible, or enter a custom date. You can choose whether or not you want Square to record your transactions automatically. With this option turned on, you won't need to manually confirm the details of any transactions. QuickBooks will record everything automatically. With this option turned off, you'll have an opportunity to confirm transaction details before they're added to your books. Note, you can change this option later. Finally, set your store location settings. You need to do this even if you only have one location. Select each location you want sales to sync from into your QuickBooks account. For each store, you have 3 settings to review. The deposit account is the bank account where you receive payouts from Square. This is usually a bank account you already have in QuickBooks. The cash account is the account in QuickBooks that you want to track how much cash you have on hand at each location. The Square Connector app uses this account to record payments you receive in cash through Square. The QuickBooks store location is which location name in QuickBooks matches the Square location. Save your store location settings. Select Sync Now. Your connection is set up. Select Square Settings to review a few additional settings that improve your accounting. The Items and Customer and Vendor settings lets you select how you see default sales items, customer names, and vendor names in QuickBooks. Select Advanced. These are the default items QuickBooks uses to best account for additional transaction details like tips, refunds, discounts, gift cards, and more. If you want to change these settings, make sure you talk to your accountant first to ensure your books are accurate. From the App Transactions tab, you'll see the transactions Square processed and sent to QuickBooks. From here, you can review and confirm new transactions or match them with transactions you've already recorded. To learn the steps to use this app with QuickBooks, check out this video. Now, you're ready to use the Square Connector app with your QuickBooks company.